and welcome to my channel. This is Lucy of Warrior Goddess, and what I'm going to do today is do a tutorial on wigs. Everybody likes a change, and sometimes you don't want to do a drastic change and a permanent change. So let's do some play. Let's play with different wigs and talk about how to make them look natural, because you don't want to look unnatural. So this is one of my blonde wigs that I really like a lot. So here's another one that I like a lot, is my purple bob. So let's try that one on and see what that looks like. So a must is to have a good fitting. This must fit real well, so you can just slap that wig on and look fabulous. Okay, let me get this here in the back straightened out. And let's see what this looks like. Okay. You want to look as natural as possible. So, check that out. How pretty is that? I just love it. Makes me feel sassy. Sassy for an old lady of 64 years old. Just gorgeous. I love it. So shiny and pretty. So let's take this one off and say you want to go round. You want to go a little longer. And let me see how this one's going to do. I like this one a lot too. You get it lined up here. Where's my comb here? Get these hairs out of my face. And how pretty is that? I love this. I love the blended highlights, lowlights. Absolutely gorgeous. You could take a clip and pin back the sides, and wouldn't that look fab? Okay, let's try on another one. Let's go really short. Let's go short, super short. I think this one is by, I'm trying to think, because I buy different wigs from different places. Amazon, of course, because they're the cheapest. But this one, she just passed away recently, and I can't even think of her name. Please forgive me. But she had a line of super wigs. Let me flip this up some. Pull it down a little bit. Now, I love this. This is a red short wig with beautiful blonde highlights in it. You see it? So when you just are feeling really sassy, because my real hair is about down to here, you just put on a short wig and voila, you become another person. Gorgeous. And I love the highlights, like I said, and I love the cut. The cut is just perfect. Okay. Now, here's another one. I just got caught up in here. Let me get that down. This one is the color of my real hair, because, like I said, I'm 64 years old. So this one just came in, and I have a hair appointment tomorrow, and I'm going to get highlights put in. And I'm not going to go this way just yet, but this is what I would really look like if I didn't color my hair. I love this. And I've been tempted to go this color, but I've been afraid to just yet. Let me try to pull this back some. So there you have the pretty white highlights and the dark, the salt and pepper look. High and low lights. And I do like this one a lot. So I know that I'll wear this, and I just love the shine. This one came from Amazon. No, it didn't come from Amazon. It came from Temu, and it was super cheap. I think it was like $7, and it's so soft, so soft. Okay, let me get this one off. Try not to pull off my cap here. I was talking about you saying you had to have a good, and I can't even think of the word cap. Good cap. Okay, this is my last little wig I'm going to do. I've got other ones, but let's see this blonde. Is this the one? Or is it this one? No, this is the one. I think I already did that one. I think I had that one on when I came on. So let's try this one. So if you're not a wig wearer, but you really are thinking about, I would like to try something different, but I just really don't want to cut. Like if you have long hair and you say, well, I don't want to cut it real short, and I don't want to do this or that yet. Try a wig. Wear it out. Take some pictures, send them to your friends, and see what they think. That's the only way you're going to know what you want to do. Okay, let me see if I can get this one on halfway decent. Let me try to... I like this one a lot. I've never went completely blonde, and tomorrow I'm going to do a lot of blonde highlights, and I'm going to get my hair cut like a Jacqueline Smith cut, with a lot of layers in it. Don't know if I should, but I am, and voila. This one has a lot of layers like fringy around the face. I like it. So I hope you enjoyed this little wiggy video, and hit that red subscribe button and tap the bell, because you never know what you'll see on my channel. Till I come back in again, take care now. Bye-bye now.